Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Sally and today it's castor oil day. Yes, you heard that right. Today's video is about castor oil for aging skin. Now I see a lot of people making incredible claims and I told you from the heart how castor oil was helping with my aches, pains, inflammation, skin tags, keratosis, you name it, I talked about it. But today I thought I would focus on something that happens to us all, aging skin. As we get older, our skin starts to change. If we hit menopause and beyond, our skin has changed at a rate of knots. The fact is that as we get older, our collagen dives off a cliff. How do I know this? Well, for over 30 years, I was an expert esthetician and lecturer within the beauty industries. And I tell you what, most of us wake up one morning and go, what happened to my skin? Well, the fact of the matter is it's hard to reverse that loss of collagen. In this video, I'm going to take you on a quick deep dive into how castor oil can actually help with your aging skin, not only on your face, but anywhere on your body. And it doesn't matter how old you are when you start. Yes, whether you're 55, 85, 95 or 105, castor oil is the oil for you. Okay, so the benefits of castor oil. Castor oil, first of all, is natural, but you need to have organic, hexane-free, cold-pressed castor oil. We know that highly processed, refined things aren't good for us. Normally within that processing, there's something been taken out or something added that simply shouldn't be there. It's not what you want on your skin. So organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free, and in an amber bottle like this one. You want an amber glass bottle. Now, what can it do for your skin? Well, first of all, it's a hydrator. It's a moisturizer. Castor oil has the ability to draw in moisture from the air and trap it in the skin. So if you have very dry skin, if you have eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, scaly patches, castor oil is brilliant at hydrating the skin. Castor oil is very thick. Like honey, it is very gloopy. So I'll give you some top tips to enable you to use it easily without getting too sticky. But for now, remember, castor oil has the ability to trap in moisture, making it sensational for dry skin conditions. Now for oily skin, castor oil is ideal. Now you might think, why would I put oil on my oily skin? Well, castor oil doesn't clog pores. So it isn't going to suddenly increase the sebum or the oil within your skin. It's actually an antioxidant. So it's a non-irritant antioxidant. So you can use it on your oily prone skin, but you do need to be careful. Of course, you're not going to be using it during the day. You're going to use it in the evening. And this is for every skin type as well. Use it in the evening and follow my instructions, which are coming up soon. Castor oil is great for dry skin and oily skin, therefore it's great for combination skins. Obviously, be careful on your oily prone skin. If you are a little bit concerned, just dab it very lightly. But ultimately, because of its factors of antioxidants and helping with moisture loss, it is the perfect oil for combination skin. If you've got normal skin, well, you're good to go. A safety tip that I recommend to everybody when they're starting something new on their skin is a patch test. It's wise to have a little patch test to make sure that there is nothing that you're allergic to. Now, considering there's just the one ingredient, castor oil, then you are unlikely to have an irritation. It's super easy to do a patch test. Apply a small amount, perhaps just on your jawline or on your neck, and leave it for 24 hours. If there is no redness, itching, irritation or heat, then you are not allergic and you can proceed. Now let me very briefly go over the key benefits. Castor oil is moisturizing, it is anti-inflammatory, therefore it is anti-aging and it is healing. I'm going to start with the anti-aging properties of castor oil. Well, first of all, castor oil is packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are those unstable molecules that are out in the environment in our everyday lives that actually cause cellular breakdown. Things like UV radiation, toxins and pollutants that literally destroy our cells. Having castor oil in your skincare routine is going to help neutralize those threats and help with your lines and wrinkles and the appearance of your skin. Now, the thing that's probably not known about castor oil is that it penetrates deeper than most face creams. Its molecular makeup means that it actually passes through dermal layers, enabling the moisture to be locked deep into the skin. Now, there aren't many moisturizers that can do that. In fact, you'll probably notice you pop on moisturizer and then your skin feels dehydrated very quickly. Not with castor oil. It actually penetrates deeper and it locks in the moisture, making your skin feel smooth, hydrated, and giving the appearance of less wrinkles. Because when we are dehydrated, our skin looks really wrinkly. So having castor oil as your moisturizer is going to go a long way to significantly improving your lines and wrinkles. Now, let's talk about collagen. Collagen is a protein. It is, of course, the glue that sticks us together. However, as we get older and we lose collagen, having something that naturally stimulates cellular turnover is going to go a long way in producing collagen. There is some evidence to suggest that applying castor oil consistently is going to help improve the body's production of collagen and its ability to keep collagen production going longer. As we get older, of course, our collagen stops being produced. In fact, from the age of 20, we are losing 1% collagen year on year. Now, the eye area is prone to lines and wrinkles. It can show the signs of aging sooner than many other areas of your face and neck. It is a very delicate area. It is super thin, the thinnest skin on our body. So applying something natural like castor oil is going to make that area look sensational. Hydrated, it's going to make your makeup look better when you apply it the next day, and it's going to help with cell turnover. So how are you going to incorporate it into your anti-aging skincare routine? Well, it's simple. I have found the best method by far. Now, in previous videos, I said to mix with your moisturizers, and a lot of people got annoyed because obviously some moisturizers do contain parabens and chemicals that you don't want to have absorbed too deeply. I would say check your ingredients. If you're using skincare that contains nasty toxic chemicals, get rid of it. You need to change your skincare. Now, I only use very clean skincare products, and I can do a video about that if you want me to. But if you haven't got skincare that you can reliably trust, I would suggest you do this. Make sure that you have a clean canvas, so wash your face with water. Make sure your skin is still damp, then apply 1 or 2 drops into the palm of your hand, rub your hands together and press in the castor oil into your damp skin. The benefit of that is that your damp skin, that hydration, that water, will help with the absorption of castor oil 100 times better. By doing this, by applying your castor oil onto wet or damp skin, you've literally 10x'd your castor oil. If you are truly happy with your moisturizer and your skincare ingredients that you're using currently, adding 2 to 3 drops of your castor oil to the moisturizer that you use, rubbing it together and applying it generously as you normally would be sensational. Its ability to draw in ingredients deeper into the dermis, the skin, is going to help impact that skincare that you already have and help it be even better. Massaging castor oil as an evening ritual is going to be sensational in helping prevent lines and wrinkles and turn back the hands of time. I simply wanted to make this video nice, short and sweet, just to help you girls that are looking at different ingredients in skincare and thinking, what actually do I need? Get yourself some castor oil, hexane-free, organic, cold press in a glass amber bottle, and you are on your way to youthful, hydrated, luxuriously feeling, pillowy, plump skin. If you would love to know more about how I incorporate this absolutely magical ingredient into my daily routine, then let me know in the comments below. Today, I just wanted to give you a quick roundup, but I'm happy to expand. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that I've talked about, I will link in the description box below, including the castor oil brand that I swear by. Until the next time, bye for now.